Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on the benefits of synthetic data for data augmentation and anomaly detection. Let's talk about how synthetic data can be used to improve data augmentation and anomaly detection. But first, let me ask you a question. Have you ever struggled with having a limited amount of data for training your machine learning models? Well, you're not alone. Many data scientists and AI researchers face the same challenge. But what if I told you that there's a solution to this problem and it's called synthetic data? Synthetic data is artificially generated data that mimics real-world data patterns. It's a game changer for data privacy, as well as data augmentation and anomaly detection. Let me explain why. When it comes to data augmentation, synthetic data can be used to create additional samples of data, making it easier to train machine learning models. With synthetic data, you can generate new data that resembles your original data, allowing you to increase the size of your training data set without having to collect more real-world data. This can be particularly useful for data-hungry models like deep learning networks. But synthetic data can also be used for anomaly detection. Anomaly detection is the process of identifying unusual patterns in data that deviate from normal behavior. With synthetic data, you can create a baseline of what normal behavior looks like, making it easier to identify anomalies. So as you can see, synthetic data can be a valuable tool for data augmentation and anomaly detection. And the best part is that you can generate as much synthetic data as you need, giving you more data to work with and helping you train better machine learning models. But that's not all. Synthetic data can also help you keep your real-world data private. By generating synthetic data that resembles your original data, you can share it with others without compromising sensitive information. In conclusion, synthetic data is a game changer for data augmentation and anomaly detection. Please share with us in the comment section down below on how was your experience handling synthetic data in today's world of technologies. And there you have it, the benefits of synthetic data for data augmentation and anomaly detection. Thank you for watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more informative and educational content. And until next time, goodbye.